Hello, everyone, and today we had a great session with one of our signature workshops with the Institute of Singapore Chartered Accountants, ISCA, where we discuss TP documentation and benchmarking. This is one of the workshops that we have been doing over the past 6 years with ISCA, and that every year attracts a lot of attention because we share a lot of practical tips on how to prepare TP documentation and benchmarking. So today we cover the Singapore transfer pricing requirements, the preparation of how to prepare a functional analysis and characterization. We talk about transfer pricing methods and also how to perform a benchmarking. One of the highlights that we always talk to clients about is that the importance of basically the functional analysis and characterization, because the functional analysis, what aims to achieve is to delineate the value add activities and assets and risk that a company undertakes in the context of a business model. And based on that, then it will be the backbone to be able to determine the TP methods and the allocation of profit or the price in a particular transaction. So the functional analysis and characterizing the companies that play a part in the transaction is key to be able to defend your industry or benchmarking data that support the pricing in a transaction. We also talk a lot about the different type of functional analysis and how we can approach a functional analysis in a different way depending on the type of transaction, because different transactions may have a different value-added activity. So for example, if you're talking about a functional analysis for a service transaction, you will probably focus a lot on the type of activities and the benefit. Whereas if there is a transaction that involves intangibles, you will probably focus a lot on the key value-add activities in the context of creation of intangibles, which is called the D&P activities, which is who develops, who enhances, who maintains, who exploits, and who protects the intellectual property that has been created or is in the process of being created. If you're interested, please visit our events tab in our website or ISCA also to sign up for our next class where we cover TP documentation and benchmarking. Thank you.